All right, we're gonna bring up our friend Bethany from Best Coast.
Hi, Snapchat. Hi, Weezer.
Hi. This is Go Away. Cold-hearted girl, don't hurt me like this anymore. I'm waiting right outside your door, saying, baby, can we talk? Stupid boy, you keep on begging, but I won't let you in. You keep on crying, but you know what you did. I'll never let you back in. Go away, 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 go away. Don't come back here anymore. Go away. I was wrong. I hurt your feelings when I did what I did. I learned my lesson. I'll stop acting like a kid. Give me one more chance. So I ask, what did she have that I don't have? You said you'd stay, but then you went away. That's why I'm telling you to go away. Go away, 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 go away. Don't come back here anymore. Go away. Oh, my life is incomplete without you. And you miss the little things that I do. Won't you take me back? That was your last chance. Go away, 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 go away. Don't come back here anymore. Go away, go away and don't come back. Thank you. Awesome.